Back in late 2024, so only a handful of months ago, the first G-27 packaging standard went to ballot, and for the first time it was approved. Now, we should be a little bit cautious by what we mean by the G-27 standard, because the actual intent of the whole project was to develop a packaging standard that would contain a thermal runaway inside of the box. So the thinking here is, if we have a lithium battery or multiple lithium batteries that we want to ship on an aircraft, well, we need to put it in a package that when it goes to thermal runaway, there's going to be no flame escaping the box, no fragments. Oftentimes, for the most volatile type of batteries, the only package that's going to pass the G-27 would be some type of metal packaging with thermal performance materials built in. Because if you've seen lithium batteries go to thermal runaway, if you've been exposed to some of those tests, it's wildly variable in terms of battery safety and failure effect. There's so many different factors that go into this thing in terms of how batteries and packaging are married. The standard that was passed is extremely limited in scope, meaning that it only applies to lithium-ion cylindrical cells. And so the standard was approved by the SAE. It has not been adopted by any government around the world, so there's no requirement, for example, that you need to today put your batteries in some type of G-27 approved packaging that can contain thermal runaway. But that is ultimately, I think, where we may be headed. So the work goes on, and we're hopeful to keep pushing this ball forward to get something to improve transport safety.